Hello everybody, this is Juan from Novecel. Today we're gonna make a video to teach you guys how to assemble a laminator. So as soon as you watch this video, you know how to assemble a machine. So in the future, if you want to repair this machine, or in the future you want to produce this machine in your country, so you can take this machine as an reference. So here we go. So this is the we're gonna take an example. Just come look at here. We're gonna take an example. This is the Novecel Q5. We're gonna take this one example to introduce you guys the parts we're using inside of this machine. Firstly, the most important part is the so this is the piston. This is the piston from AirTech. AirTech cylinder. So this is the model number ACQ125X50S. So this is the model number for piston. See, the cylinder. So the second part we're gonna do like this from this side here and to here. So we're gonna introduce all the most important parts that we're using inside this machine. So this is the switch. The switch is from Schneider. So this is the switch we're gonna put here. This is the switch for the whole machine. So as we can see, this is the take a look at this switch. And now this is the also from AirTech. This is AirTech is like Taiwanese company from Taiwan. Also, it's a very it's like top brand in this pneumatic area. So this is the top brand in this area. So this is AirTech. So the model number is AR2000. So this is the pressure regulator from AirTech. As we can take a very close look at this valve, this regulator. Okay. This is the relay. We're using. 21Y8Y8. So this is the relay. Brand is Omlon from Japan. This is Omlon from Japan. I don't know if you can see this clearly. Clear? Okay, very small. It's okay, no problem. But this is from Omlon. The relay from Omlon. And this is the, as you can see here, says SNC solenoid valve. So this is MSC is from Japan. It's made in Japan. This is made in Japan. This is the solenoid valve from Japan, MSC. Very stable, okay. And this is the also another solenoid valve is from AirTech. Can we see this model number clearly? So this is 4V22008, 4V22008. You can take a very close look at the solenoid valve. Okay. This is the power supply, the driver. This is the power supply. The driver is from Novecel. You can the model number is LRS 5024. So Novecel is also a top brand. It's like MSC. It's like AirTech. Novecel is also like top brand in this field, power supply. And this is it says solid state module. This is full tech. It says made in Taiwan. So I can take a different angle. Okay, it's made in Taiwan. As you can take a look at this small parts, it's very good quality. If you know any brand which is very good, just let us know. We can purchase, because we want to make the best laminator or laminating machine ever. So if you know any brand which is better, can make the performance of the machine better, so we will buy that. We will use that part to make this machine, the performance, make it better. Okay, so this is the I guess called the switch the emergency button. Check the aluminum. This is the aluminum. Very good quality. Very good quality. Aluminum. Very good quality. Okay. So this is the meter. This is the meter we're using. It's also from AirTech. This is the meter for. This is meter for the vacuum. MP3 and 03001. Can we see this clearly? This one is from it's like Colon. I'm not sure about this brand, but this also looks very good quality. Okay, now we have just introduced you guys. So this is the box we're gonna use. So just the missing one, the meter, the touch panel. So inside of this machine is all with those parts and all the cables. You can see here the cables and the one touch panel. So this is and some screws, a lot of screws. So this is the whole part we're gonna use for assembling this machine. So now let's go and take a look at the whole process, how we're gonna assemble the machine. Okay, here we go. Okay, now let's take a look at those parts closely. Okay, just here we go. This is the AirTech, the model number. So let's take a very close look at the model number, AirTech. So this is the PLC we're using. This is the PLC. And this part here, this is the Schneider, the switch. Schneider we're using. AirTech. This is the model number. Make sure you have the right model number. This is, I'm gonna do this one. This is Omlon. This is the relay. This is the relay. This is the SMC solenoid valve. Solenoid no valve. This is made in Japan. Can we see this clearly? Made in Japan. This is the original AirTech. This is the model number. Also the solenoid valve. So this is the power supply. Meanwhile, also from Taiwan, is very good brand as well. Top brand. This is the Fortec solid state module made in Taiwan. So those are buttons and the switches. Check the aluminum. Very good quality. Very good quality aluminum. So this is the meter, the pressure, the meter for pressure, and also for pressure. This is for pressure because we have pressure, laminating pressure for OCA and also for LCD. And this is the vacuum meter, the meter which indicates the vacuum. Okay, we have introduced you guys all the parts that we're using. Now we're gonna go to next part. We're gonna assemble the machine.